Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split audio files in Audacity. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to make sure that you have the MP3 encoder installed. If you have the latest version of Audacity, you should be fine. Open Audacity and go to the file in the top left corner and import your projects. Your audio file will now appear in your Audacity. To create a label track, press Ctrl plus B on your keyboard. In the label box that appears, type the name of your track. I will call track 1. Move the cursor to where you want the next split and press Ctrl plus B again. Name this new section. I am going for track 2. Repeat this process for any additional splits. Once you've labeled all your tracks, go to File and choose Export Audio. You will see this dialog box pop up. Select Export to Computer. Another window will appear where you can choose the destination folder for your file. To export your audio in separate parts, select multiple files in the export range. You can choose different type of file names, but go for the default settings. If you want to add metadata like an artist name, click on Edit Metadata. Once you are ready, click Export. The export process will begin, and once it's done, a window will show the list of your tracks. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to split audio file in Audacity. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.